YouTube channel. If you're a new viewer, then where have you been? Make sure you like and subscribe and hit that notification bell if you truly enjoyed today's content. My channel is mostly about fashion and beauty, so if those are your topics, then stick around. And if you are a returning subscriber, then welcome back. I missed y'all. Today's video, I'll be testing out and reviewing the e.l.f. Full Coverage Satin Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. If you guys are interested in how I achieve this look and how I feel about this e.l.f. concealer, then stay tuned. So let's just dive right into this video. So let's go ahead and open this product. Hopefully this is my shade. I just kind of guessed. So this is how it looks like outside the box. Pretty sleek. I like the packaging, honestly. It's really cute. So let's go ahead and test this product out. So to start this makeup look, I'm going to go ahead and put on my foundation. So for my foundation, I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD in the shade Y425. Come closer. I'm just going to use a beauty sponge to blend. I'm going through a bad breakout, y'all, so don't mind me. But I have all types of texture going on, so it's in the process of getting better. With my foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and test out the concealer. Hopefully this is my color, y'all. Let's hope and pray. Ooh. It definitely feels really creamy, really blendable on my hand. It's basically my color. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the concealer everywhere I want to be extra coverage and highlighted. For starters, y'all, I really love how the brush is thick. It's definitely something that I do like about this so far. Guys, so now let's go ahead and blend this e.l.f. concealer. See how this blends. It blends really nicely, really easy to blend. And this claims to be full coverage, so we'll see, we'll see. So I finished blending out that concealer. This is the first layer. Honestly, guys, I fuck with this. I really am with this. I'm gonna go ahead and put some more just to see if it gets cakey. Y'all, it ain't playing when it says full coverage. Like, I really think this is full coverage, but I'm gonna go add a little bit more just to see what's up. I was able to cover up a lot. Let's see. See how it puts up with the rest of my makeup. So far, I'm really liking this product. Like, I'm surprised I just now am testing it. I think this is an old product, but this was only $6, y'all. Like, no, after tax, like $7, but it's still like, for $7, this is a good product. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put my powder to set my concealer. I'm gonna be using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm gonna be using my Eco Tools brush. So far with my foundation and powder, the concealer is putting it very well. It doesn't look cakey, so I'm aiming for a glowy, bronzy look. I'm going to be using the Patrick Ta for Face Cream and Contour Powder Bronzer Duo in the shade She's Chiseled. And with my beauty sponge, I'm just going to be applying the bronzer onto all the places I want to be contoured. So I'm going to apply it to my cheekbones, my jawline, my nose, and my forehead. I'm going to go ahead and clean up the contour with my e.l.f. concealer. For my eyebrows, I want it to be kind of like natural kind of brow. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color Chocolate. I'm going to be using a small Eco Tools slanted brush. This brow look, I'm just going to go along with the hairs. Up, I'm going to be using a slanted brush and my concealer, the e.l.f. concealer. Now that my eyebrows are done, I'm going to go ahead and do the eyes. For the eye makeup, I'm going to be using my Naughty Nude Huda Beauty palette. I'm using a stiff brush by Mary Kay. I'm going to go ahead and use my Morphe 360 Nature Glow Shimmer Palette. Now I'm going to go ahead and use a slanted brush and put the same color on my under eye. Using the same Huda Beauty Naughty Nude palette, I'm going to go ahead and use this color right over here. Next, I'm going to pull on my eyelashes. I'm just using some from my cabinets that I found, just some regular long lashes. While that is drying, I'm going to go ahead and do my blush. For my blush, I'm going to be using my Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek Combo in the color Work. So the next step I'm going to do is apply a little bit more blush on top of the cream blush, one by NARS in the shade Orgasm. Now for my mascara, the Lash Intensity Mascara in the shade Black by Mary Kay. For the next step, I'm going to go ahead and do my highlighter. So for my highlighter, I'm using one by Makeup by Mario. It is his Soft Glow Highlighter in the shade Honey. I absolutely adore this look, y'all. Like, this is a perfect dewy, glowy look. Review time. So I really like this product, y'all. It was only $7 after tax, and honestly, for $7, like, it worked really good. It's really good quality. It didn't really crease as much as I thought it would. It looks so good for my bronzy look. It worked beautifully with my powder and the rest of my makeup, so I give this product 10 out of 10. e.l.f. love you. It really does say on the package full coverage, and I really do think it is full coverage. Like, even when I was putting it on, I was impressed. It blends beautifully. It's really a nice product. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's content, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next video.